Hi, I'm Lillian Hobler. This video will help teach you and the children in your care how to communicate using sign language. We believe that signing can be an effective communication tool for everyone, not just for the deaf or hard of hearing population. Research has shown that sign language can be easy to learn and effective, particularly for those with a limited vocabulary. You're going to meet the person behind much of the research. Dr. Marilyn Daniels is an associate professor of speech communication and has studied signing with hearing persons. Her book, Dancing with Words, forms the basis of much of our own practice at Talking Hands. I spoke with her recently about her research.
Babies want to communicate with human beings actually even before they're born. We found out that babies do things to attract attention, and that kind of things even intrauterine. So actually from birth on, babies are really wanting to communicate. Babies cry. That's one of the reasons babies cry. The speaking apparatus for a child matures much later, and they don't have the physical capability to create words until they're generally past a year of age, and they can make signs from about usually 5-7 months, in that range, between 5 and 7 months, they actually can use their hands to communicate. When you use sign in the home or in the school, it really gets quieter, and there's more attention paid to the actual words, to what the communication really is, because of the fact that you really have to concentrate and focus more on the other person that you're communicating with, and your attention is really on that person. When you use oral speech, many times you don't even have to be in the same room as the person you're speaking with, and you're not certainly many times looking at them face to face. Sign is extremely important for children because it allows them to express their feelings. And also the feeling signs that children have are signs that are so iconic in nature. They look so much like what the sign really is, what it really means, that the children understand the meaning more. It's best not to use a made-up language because it doesn't facilitate the child in the same way. It would be much better to use a real language, the words from a real language, and because sign is a legitimate language, a real language that your child is likely to encounter in their later life, either with deaf children who will be coming into the school that they're in, or they may choose to take sign language as their second language, their foreign language in schools. They would already have the vocabulary of ASL, and they would already have learned that. So it makes such good sense to use the ASL vocabulary when you're trying to use sign with your children.